Hi everyone, I'm back with an update after a short break due to the Dowlais and Phant by-election. I'm delighted to announce that Dean Barrett has been elected as a councillor for the Dowlais and Phant ward. I've known Dean for many years, and this result testifies how well thought of and deep-rooted Dean is in the local area. Dean understands the community and culture fully, and I look forward to working closely with him over the next year. This week is Anti-Social Behaviour Awareness Week, and our community safety team has been out in community venues across Merthyr Tudful, raising awareness of the impact of antisocial behaviour and promoting safer and stronger communities. Our community safety wardens are continuing their work to help keep you safe patrolling the town centre, tackling antisocial behaviour and capturing evidence on issues ranging from noise nuisances to vandalism, graffiti and fly tipping. By working closely with local businesses and partners, the team is helping to prevent problems before they escalate. As you may know, the Redhouse has been taken back into council ownership. Because it's been closed for some time, there's been some deterioration internally, which we need to get sorted before it can be opened back up to the public. There's lots going on behind the scenes, so please rest assured that we're working hard to get all the essential work done. We'll keep you updated as things progress, so watch this space. I'm pleased to let you know that the Riverside Park in the town centre is nearing completion, and we're expecting it to open very soon. Due to the exceptionally hot weather last week, there's been a slight delay in getting some of the final work completed, but our teams are working hard to complete the work and open the park as soon as possible. I'll update you more next week. As a local authority, we manage 54 fixed play areas throughout Merthyr Tudful, many of which are coming to the end of their useful life and need refurbishment. Investing in our parks and playgrounds is a priority for us because we know that play is an essential ingredient for the healthy growth and development of children. So you'll see more about our plans for play areas in the coming weeks. That's all from me this week, so have a great weekend and I'll see you all next week. Diolch.